So this is our first review video and we're doing a review of Jake's Hotel. If I keep looking away, please understand the view is just awesome. That's the first thing. And the waves are competing with me. It's because I'm in their territory, I have to kind of humble myself. They boxed me about quite a bit this morning down by the beach. But we're here this weekend for, you know, just a little kicking back, relaxing, chilling. And we ended up in a place we've never been before, St. Elizabeth. We've never stayed in St. Elizabeth overnight, I think. I think we've done day trips but never overnight. And we're at Treasure Beach in St. Elizabeth, and we're at Jake's in Treasure Beach in St. Elizabeth. It has been an awesome experience. I mean, when you step onto the property, you get a sense of being at home. That's the first thing. How everything is laid out is just, you have to come to the experience it yourself. But I mean, you know, you have neighbors, but you're not really seeing them or hearing them that much. So you have your privacy pretty much. Our room is quite cozy, quite comfortable. We have our shower outside. I'm sitting right by our shower outside right here. That's an experience. I love that. And I'm just getting through all of these preliminaries to get to the most important part of Jake's, which is the food. Now, there's a saying that says, let your food be your medicine and your medicine be your food. Jake's has perfected that. I had an appetizer when I got here on Friday night for dinner. I had an appetizer, and with the appetizer there was cream. I kid you not when I tell you that the cream was so fresh. I felt I needed to go to the kitchen and look to see where they had the cow tied up outside to get the milk to make the cream. The cream was that fresh. The food without doubt is excellent. You feel healthy. It feels like you're consuming something that's not processed. It's not, you know, impure. It just feels good. I had the snapper for dinner. My colleague had the chicken, and I mean, everything was just, I can't explain, just done perfectly to order. Yesterday for lunch, we had burger. She had the burger. And you know, like when you have burgers, it tastes kind of rubbery, or the meat looks kind of gray or whatever. We were so amazed by the taste of the burger, we had to ask the waitress, what's in this burger? Is it really beef? What am I putting in it? And she said, oh, it's just, you know, beef and scallion and thyme and seasoning and da-da-dee, and we're waiting to hear some other meat. I just said, no, it's beef. Local beef. They have a grinder. They grind the meat themselves, season it themselves, and that's it. So the food is just healthy. There's no grease. There's no feeling that you're gonna be upset when you're done eating. It's just healthy. So you know your body is very receptive to it. Customer service at Jake's is, I think they need to teach other persons or other places in Jamaica how to treat clients, how to treat customers. They're excellent. I mean, everyone is just so friendly, they're warm, they're inviting, and it doesn't matter what their particular job function is. You can talk to just about anyone about anything, and you're served with a smile, and you just feel welcomed. If you don't want to have food at Jake's is like literally a minute's walk away, and you walk on the property, and they have access to Jack Sprat's from the property. So you just walk down the path, straight down, you're on Jack Sprat, and Jack Sprat Beach is right there. Jack Sprat Restaurant is right there. So you don't even, if you drove, well, not even if you drove, you have to drive to get here. You don't have to drive to go anywhere. The beach is right there, the food is right there. Another beach is somewhere down the road. I mean, everything is just right here. All you need to do is bring yourself, and you're good to go. As it pertains to activities here, You have yoga that you can sign up for at the receptionist area. There is a games room. If you want to go off-site, not at Jack Sprat or here, there's a restaurant out in the ocean somewhere. We haven't seen it, and I don't think with how these waves have been behaving this weekend we're gonna find it. But there's a restaurant out there called the Peloton that you can make arrangements to get to. There are excursions because Lovers Leap is pretty close, and other areas in St. Elizabeth, is pretty close. They do have local fruits and vegetables that you can purchase because the farmers come in here and the stuff is right there. I mean, when you smell the receptionist area, you think you're at the market. The stuff is right there. But the experience, you don't even have to be staying here to come in and, have a drink at the bar or have a meal. And the rates are pretty affordable. When you think about what you get we're from Kingston and St. Catherine. When you think about what you get where we normally go in Kingston and St. Catherine, it's comparable. So the rates are pretty reasonable. So you don't have to worry that you're going to drop your pocket. The same money you're going to spend in Kingston, same money you're going to spend in Kingston. So it's comparable in that respect. There's also a spa, Driftwood Spa. We haven't found that as yet, because we have other things that we've been doing. But Jake's Treasure House is really a treasure house. Treasure Beach, but it's a treasure house. I mean, Jamaica just has all of these places, and we just need to really, as Jamaicans, make up our minds that we need to come and experience it as well. It's here, it's our backyard, we need to experience it. Just wrapping up the whole experience at Jake's. Of course, food is top of the line, that's 5 stars right there. Customer service, top of the line, another 5 stars. If you are the rustic, getaway, nature, quiet, low-key activity person, this is definitely a place that you can check out because the ocean is right there. Those waves put you to bed at night and wake up in the morning. When you step out of the room, you're on a pathway that's filled with flowers and trees, and everyone is just so pleasant. There's only one problem I had, and that really has nothing to do with Jake's. The GPS needs to sort out. We have a GPS issue. On Spur Tree Hill, being told to take a sharp left, and that sharp left is a precipice, that's a GPS issue right there. So overall, I see a boat. I wonder if I'm going to collect it. It's right over there, so keep out there. But overall, ladies and gentlemen, the whole experience has been wonderful. I wish I could have stayed longer, but it takes cash to care. But it's been a good one. It's been an awesome one. And I would definitely put this on my list of places to come back to if I am coming this side of the island. Good to do.